Hey folks, and welcome to week 6 of online AP Stats. Two things I want to talk about this week. The first is a Chapter 2 retake. If you are interested in the Chapter 2 retake, you first must qualify. You're going to have to go into Skyward. If you have any missing work or zeros for Unit 2, you do not qualify and you cannot even retake. If your work looks good and adequate, then you're going to go on to the next step, which is you're going to go down to the Unit 2 folder and hop into the testing folder. And it's going to talk all about the retake here. This was a 14-point test. You are allowed to either retake the entire test, just the multiple choice, or just the free response. You need to read the directions carefully on what the details are. Keep in mind the highest you can earn is up to a B in our class, which is around 81%. So of a 14-point test, that's 11.3 points is the maximum you can recover on this particular test. So 11.3 points. If you want to retake the multiple choice, you are going to have to come in and actually look at your multiple choice and do some analysis of the responses. Read these particular details, please, on the relearning for the multiple choice. You then are going to retake only during a WIN session. So you would want to sign up for a WIN session this week. That deadline for the test or the testing date is October 12th. So sign up for a session or have me lock you in. You need to make sure that your relearning is actually uploaded to this relearning assignment as kind of your ticket to retake. Now, if you're interested in retaking the free response, again, only up to the 81%, so 11.3 points maximum as a total. For free response, it's a little different. You're going to bring in your note packet, and you're going to look through your chapter test. You're going to look at the problems that you got incorrect. You're going to align them with the missed learning objectives. Once you find what learning objectives you missed, you're going to look in the note packet. What are the extra practice problems? You're then going to go to those particular problems in the Chapter 2 unit for those extra practice, ones that I have posted in every unit folder, and do those as your relearning. Again, you're going to sign up for a WIN session and then come in and take your test. Make sure you've uploaded a copy of your relearning to this particular assignment. That is how the relearning is going to work and the retake. So let me know if you have specific questions on that. Now, let's jump into the second thing, your Unit 3. If you take a look at Unit 3, I'm going to actually go for the quick folder. It is on describing relationships. It's our last unit on the topic of data analysis. And if we take a look at it, a Unit 3 is only, again, 2 sections. So it's a little bit shorter of a unit. Most of our chapters are either 2 sections or 3 sections long. This one is going to cover things about basically scatter plots. So 2 variable sets of data. They call it bivariate data using ordered pairs X and Y. If you take a look at this, there is no particular deadline this week, but be very cautious. Next week is a short week. It's MEA. You're only here Monday and Tuesday. You do have a deadline Tuesday by 3 p.m. The deadline for you guys next Tuesday, October 17th, is basically to have all of this work done for the prior week. Now, let's take a quick look. When you get back from MEA, there's a quick turnaround. You actually are going to have your summative assessment for this. That is going to be the last deadline, right? For your summative assessment on Thursday the 26th, you're going to take that during a WIN session, and the remainder of your coursework has to be done by then. Please do be cautious on getting ready for this test. As of now, it is the last test of the quarter. So being the last test of the quarter, it is considered not retakeable. So please be prepared for that. And if you are feeling a little behind or overwhelmed, keep in mind you do have MEA. You guys are going to have 5 days off, including that weekend, to really kind of get your more grounded into Chapter 3 and hopefully feel good about your learning. So let me know how I can help you out. If you, by the way, are not retaking the Chapter 2 test, but you would like to come see your test, absolutely. Please swing on in at any time. I'm more than happy to let you look over your test. I actually encourage you to come and look over your test so you know if there's anything that you're missing, what are the concepts you're not quite grasping. So have a great week 6, and I'll see you soon. Bye.